2023 GMC Acadia. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.